Come in, come in. Welcome to my new home. Or should I say, my castle? Please have a seat. This chair was ridiculously expensive. So, how does it feel? Comfortable, huh? Hello? Okay?
Lo, I have let forth a mighty wind.